Well, let's answer the million-dollar question. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. It is what the WaveRunner said had been used, about 10.5 gallons. Well, I gotta say one more time, this is the nicest boat ramp I've ever seen, and I'm the only one here on the whole darn lake, and that is a benefit of being retired and being here on a Monday morning. There's no wind whatsoever from the tropical storms out in the Gulf. That'll pick up in a little bit, and might as well talk about what we're gonna do today. We're here at Lake Minneola at Clermont, and we're gonna try to connect 8 lakes this morning. I have the lake to myself this morning. There is no one else out on Lake Minneola. That was a little choppier than I thought. I guess the wind's starting to pick up out of the east. Tropical storms bringing it around with the northeastern wind. So good thing we got started early. Okay, I think this is the third bridge of the day. Cut through to Minnehaha. Oh, that lake looks pretty choppy out there. All right. Lake Winona. Cut through, and we're headed over to Lake Susan now. This is crazy cool. I think this is the cut through to Crescent Lake. There's the WaveRunner. What even caused that? Well, mission accomplished. I guess we hit 9 lakes if you count Hattie as a lake. A lot of fun. The wind's picked up now, so it's a good call to go early, and just got to get home now. Thanks for coming along today. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.